Welcome to Toys World Racing. These are the contestants. 6 participants, but only 3 winners. Let's see who wins. Audience is so excited. Can't wait to see who wins. Everybody is so excited.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
The first player is W1. Player number 2 is Y1. Third player is W2. Player number 4 is Gree. Fifth player is Oro. Gleph is 6th and last player. The track is not too long, but it will decide the fate of players. It's time for the first pair to run the race. The players are Y1 and W1. Players are on the track and audience is so curious.
3, 2, 1.
And the winner is W1.
Yes, I knew he was gonna win.
He's the best.
I'm so happy.